So today I'm going to be sharing 7 side hustles you can do as a student so you can live that baby girl lifestyle, Akanchawa body lifestyle that you want to live. See, your pocket money is never ever going to be enough. Let me tell you, the money your father has is not enough. The money Dangote has is not enough. So why do you think your pocket money is going to be enough for you? There is no award for sufferhead. There is no award for sufferhead. Say it to me. There is no award for sufferhead. You deserve that a luxury. You deserve that bag online. You deserve everything that you want. So it's better you start now and start working for those things. Okay, before I start, I just want to say that this video is not aimed to federal university students or private university students. There are things that people in federal schools can do, and there are things that people in private schools can do. So my first point will be doing tutorials for people. So for university level, you can decide to teach people in your class. Maybe there's a particular course you're very good at and other people don't understand. It's actually your time. You can decide to make money out of it. It's like, okay, I'll be teaching this course, you'll be paying me this for this time, this. And by the time you teach different people, you see that the money accumulates. And also you can decide to teach people below your level. You know you have surpassed that class, you know the struggles, you know how you dealt with yours, you know what you would have done better. So you're able to give advice on things like that. So apart from teaching university students, you can decide to teach people that are about to enter university. So jam lesson, WAEC lesson, all those things. I remember in my time when I was about to enter university, where I went to do physical lessons, most of the teachers there were university students. So and they were really teaching us well because I mean you're still in the school system and it's what you have done. Imagine if you're in university now, like people that are in university watching this, if they come and give you all this literature, all these things, it'll be easy for you to do because it's just something that you have surpassed that level, so it's automatically easy for you to teach. It's not really a big deal, so you're able to make money out of that. You could also do online tutorials. Remember when I was about to also enter school, I also did this jam lesson that was online. There's this guy in Iraq that organizes lessons for people, all these things that has to do with registration for university, all this, he takes care of everything. And he's a university student, he's even a law student, so it's not something that only him anchors. There are also other people that come in to take the tutorial. So he kind of organizes teachers that will teach different things, people that are good in whatever subject, maths or whatever. He just organizes it, and who really pay for those lessons, and people that are serious will actually pass if you take the lesson serious. So you could make this online or physical, whatever one is convenient for you. If you think it's something that you can do, then please go ahead and make money out of your brains that God gave you. My second point would be cooking for people. Oh God, cooking for people. See, food is life. Food is life. Nobody can argue this one. Okay, I know that most private universities don't allow their students to cook and everything, and this is more of a federal university or public university student kind of thing. But please, if cooking is your hobby, please monetize it. Like, just monetize it, make money off this thing. I'm in school now. I don't like backward stew. Backward stew is not the best. I brought my stew from home. If I knew somebody, I know there are people that cook around and then you can buy and everything. But if I knew my friend that is living close that cooks, even my friend, if I knew someone that used to cook near this place or something, I would definitely buy stew or whatever. So I don't have to eat school food every single time. So if you love cooking, please monetize. Some people don't even have the time. Imagine some people like very busy people, medical students, or people that are just very busy, or people that are even lazy to cook. You can make money off this thing. Please monetize your cooking. If you like baking, please monetize your baking. Whatever it is that is your hobby, please just monetize it. Like, you'll be literally making money off for something that you enjoy doing. So why not? Why not? So my third tip would be to skill up. Whether it's learning how to do makeup, whether it's learning how to make hair, whether it's making waist beads or making normal beads, whether it's drawing, whether it's making shoes, making palm. I know someone in my class that makes really amazing shoes. Whatever it is, just skill up. See, someone with skills can never go hungry. Like someone that knows how to do something in their hand can never be hungry, because literally if you are doing hair for somebody, you just make hair today, you do braids, you collect like 5k, you do another hair, you collect like 3k. Like in a weekend you can make 10k. See, imagine every weekend I'm making 10k. Like seriously, imagine. I know people that make this amount of money. Me, I personally, I don't like making hair because it's very very stressful. People that love doing, like I used to say, do you girl, because I know I cannot I once tried to learn how to do hair, but I just like this is not for me. So whatever works for you, whether it's doing makeup, doing hair, barbing, making shoes, just have that skill that you enjoy doing, and then you, anytime someone call you, like yes, you advertise it, people come and meet you, and then you make money. This skill can make you millions. Well, this is meant to be a side hustle, so don't make your side hustle your main hustle. Then you now keep school aside. And this is a side hustle, not to for you to throw away your schoolwork, please. My fourth tip would be feeding off people's laziness. I know this sounds funny, but let me explain. Feeding off people's laziness could be anything, and most times it's what's peculiar to your school. But the most basic one is doing people's assignments. Like there are sometimes that the assignments or workload might just be crazy, and then people are just like, oh my, this workload is too much, and then you just offer, don't worry, I can do your assignment too. As I'm doing my own, I'll do your own with my own, and you just charge. Let me tell you, people will be willing to pay, especially if you're a very meticulous person and they know that, yeah, this person, I don't even need to check what they did. I know that they did it too well. So you can easily feed off people's laziness. Another one is, this one is peculiar to my school. So I heard, if you watch my previous videos, if you know or if you don't know, Babcock has two campuses. There's the mini campus and there's the main campus. I say the mini campus. So on the main campus is quite big and like it's very very stressful. You have to be entering keke to go from one place to another. It's very stressful. So I heard that some people actually help other people go to the cafeteria to get their food. So and they pay them. That's actually a very good idea because you might not even end up trekking because if you collect 200 from this place, you collect 200 from like 10 people. That's actually small. If you collect, I don't know how much someone, if it's me, I'll charge like 500. I'll charge 500 because that's going to make sense to me. But if you like charge like 500 and you collect like 500 from five people, you will end up not even, I will end up not trekking because I'll enter Keke. With the money you gave me, I'll enter Keke and I'll go to cafeteria and bring your food for you. And to be honest, like sometimes it cannot just be bothered. Some people's hostels are very far from the cafeteria and it can be very stressful. So you just basically feeding off people's laziness and making money out of their laziness. That's basically it. I don't know what it is might be in your school that is very stressful and that you can make money off. But just think, look around, think of that thing that is stressing everybody. Like, let me think. Let me make money out of this thing. Just be creative. You can make money out of anything. I promise you can make money out of so many things that you cannot think of. So my fifth tip would be social media. This is kind of tricky because, like I said before, it's meant to be a side hustle, not your main hustle. So social media is more like an investment. It's not something that is going to just going to you're going to start receiving results immediately. For example, YouTube pays money, but like you have to reach like a threshold, like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's when YouTube will start paying you. So social media is like an investment, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is that you want to do. If you feel like you want to like have a social media presence, like start posting content. Like me now, I'm doing YouTube, so please subscribe so that I'll start earning money. I'm helping people. I'm telling people side hustle to do. Please help my hustle so that as I'm helping you also, you'll be helping my hustle too. Please subscribe. So like I said, it's like an investment. So it's something that you will get over time. Some people 6 months they're ready, but some people it takes more time. So yeah, you should consider social media, especially in this time. Social media is really giving a lot of people money. So consider that. My fifth point is going to be buying and selling. This one is very common, like a lot of people do this one, buying and selling, like the most basic thing ever. Just sit down, then you have a board meeting with your brain. Just sit down, like we need to figure out what is that thing that if I buy now, people are going to actually buy. Sit down. Is it phone cases? Is it thrifted clothes? Is it personals? Is it I can't think of so many things now. Just sit down and think of something that if you buy and try to research, people are actually going to buy. Like in Babcock's mode of dressing is very different. When you come to Babcock, you're going to have to figure out your own style. For ladies, not a lot of people wear skirts before they come here, and even if they wear skirts, it's not the long type of skirt. So when you come, you kind of have to figure out like how to still look fashionable and still be Babcock compliant. So selling all those kind of clothes like long skirts that are really stylish, all those kind of things. Just figure out that one thing that if you buy and try to resell, people are actually going to buy them. So just have that board meeting with your brain and get that back. So my next tip is going to be selling your old textbooks. Sell your old textbooks. I'm not using those textbooks or anything. Okay, wait, not your main course. Like now, when I was in 100 level, I was doing only one major law course and one other course that's not, it's kind of related to law but not exactly. Yes, my legal methods was the only major law course that I can say that okay, let me keep this textbook. I might have to refer to it in the future. But the other textbooks, see, we're literally doing like 10 courses, and I had like only two courses, two major courses related to law, and the other one was not, was related to law, but I will not have to refer to it in the future. So the other seven textbooks, what am I using them to do? Psychology. Those are just general courses. I don't know. Maybe they just make you do it so that you are not. I don't know why they make us do it. I don't know why it's helpful, but I don't really know why they make us do it. You're not using those textbooks or anything. If you bought a textbook for 4,000, you can try to sell it half the price, 2,000 to people that are coming in. I'm very sure they're going to want to buy it, especially if your textbooks are still in good condition. Because if you don't sell those textbooks, you're going to put them in the dustbin, and that's just a waste of money. So why not make money out of your textbook? Because it's not even like as if you bought those textbooks with your money. You bought them with your parents' money. So resell those textbooks. I have some little change in your bag. Okay? You know I want to be that billionaire, only G cash, chopping and spending the cash. We want to get that back. Okay? So yeah, those are all the tips I have for you guys today. Those are all the things I think will work as side hustle that will give you that little luxuries of life. They might not make you millionaires, so well they can make you millionaires if you make that your main hustle. But that's not the point of this video. It's meant to be your side hustle, not your main hustle. Because if you make your academics your side hustle, you're on your own. So this just makes you afford the little luxuries of life. Because Superhead is not an achievement. There's no award for Superhead. So please buy that bag that you want, buy that shoe that you want, buy that clothes that you want, buy everything I want. I would like to know what you guys practice and what you guys do to make money in school. Because I'm also looking to make more money, and I'm not yet there. I'm not there yet. Like I'm still rising. I'm still climbing the ladder. So you guys too, as I've given you advice, also advise me in the comment section. Please advise me in the comment section as well. What do you do to make money in school? How do you know, afford the little luxuries of life for people that are the big boys and big girls? For people that are like, I already do all these things. Like I'm not on your level. I already practice all these things. Or I already do more than you. Like I'm comfortable. I don't struggle. So please let us know in the comment section. Please, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please, I'm begging you. Please subscribe if you haven't. If you find yourself you have watched my video, you're coming back. You see me on your timeline again. You're seeing me, you're clean, you're working, and you're not subscribing. Like why are you doing like this? You don't want my side hustle to work, Abi. You don't want my own side hustle to work, but I'm helping you for your side hustle to work. Like why will you do that to me? Please subscribe. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Share to whoever you think might need this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.